Have you been searching for the perfect performance sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2017 Honda Accord Sport in Lunar Silver Metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 13,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 5538A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.